Hello, everybody. My name is Evelyn Arce, and I am a senior at Hoover High. I worked alongside Teresa Howe and Emilce on this CS research project. Our research question was, how will students' interests/opinions in computer science differ if it was open to all and applied real-world and interactive approaches to learning? So to begin, let's start off with some school-wide demographics and background. So Hoover is sectioned off into different academies. Teresa and I are part of the Health Academy, and we haven't taken a CS course. So you could say that computers and technology aren't our strong suits. However, Hao and Emilce are both juniors in the AOIT Academy, and they have taken the course before. The other academies include the Engineering Academy, which is called SABE, the Social Justice Academy, and the Academy of Arts. So 75% of our student body is Latino, followed by 12% Asian, and so on. 22.3% of our students are English learners from all different backgrounds. And Hoover is located in City Heights, which is a diverse neighborhood. We are exposed to all different kinds of cultures, and this creates a welcoming environment. Most of our students are first generation college students, and this includes my team and I. Here are just some pictures of the faces at Hoover. And now I'll hand it over to Emilce.
The responses that we got were mainly from the Hispanic community and Black community and Asian community. By leading with Hispanic with 63.2% and the African community with 14.2% and Asian community with 24.5%. Um, the grades, the response grades that we usually got, that we mostly got were juniors, sophomores, and seniors, and a little bit of freshmen. The academy that most responded to our survey was AOIT with 39.3% and and the Health Academy with 24.3%. And then the next one would be Salve at 13.1% and Alma and SJA with 11.2%. Now I'll pass it to Tony.
All right, so next up, we ask students about their technology and their internet access, meaning that what your technology and the internet looks like. Most of the respondents have a personal computer or a phone, but there's also a handful of students that said that they have a gaming console, which is primarily used for their entertainment purposes. It's not much for schoolwork. We also asked our surveyors what kind of internet do they have, and a lot of them do say that they don't know what they have, but they have it. They just have it, and this goes on further to show that a lot of people don't have knowledge on computer science and what kind of internet they have. They just know that, oh, I have it. And finally, we ask our we asked our respondents what how reliable is their internet at home, and a lot of them think that their internet is reliable, which is a good thing. But there's also that margin of students that do not think that they have a good internet access at home. Uh, Now I'm gonna pass it over to Teresa to talk about this Hoover student's image of computer science.
In this slide, we asked Hoover students what was their main image towards those who took computer science. We asked them whether they considered the students who took them if they were nerd or not. Fortunately, the answers were diverse. Many students have commented that computer science students who took computer science were considered hardworking and smart, especially from those who were unsure or have not taken computer science. This led us to believe that because of that, students may seem intimidated from may feel intimidated compared to those who have, thinking that they are ineligible to take computer science. I'll pass this to Evelyn.
So what do people think about computer science? What is computer science? So the graph shows that almost half of the students who haven't taken computer science before aren't interested in taking it. The other half, which is a little less than an actual half, are open to taking it or are thinking about taking it. So we have hope. So out of the people who have taken computer science, we asked them what they liked about the course. Most of them said coding, as expected, but the sticky notes are filled with answers that go more into depth about what they liked about the course. Most of them, as you can see, liked how the knowledge they learned in the class um, could be applied to real world experiences or just in general. One of them mentioned how the world is made up of technology, so it's important to learn aspects of technology in the course. It's different from regular A through G classes, and most of the students like creating their own website or game and being able to share it with others. And this emphasizes how if we relate more of the course's work to the real world and make it more interactive, um, it's going to make students enjoy the course more.
These responses were from the ones who didn't take computer science classes, but this is what they think about it. Most people thought it was about programming and coding, but some responses that stood out were that they thought the course was about real life problems that could connect to technology, and some thought about that it was about the foundations and basics of coding and learning how a computer functions and how the algorithms work and how the algorithms work and how they can manage and fix these things.
All right, so with all of that said, we do have some recommendations and resolutions we came up with One of them being to open the course to more students and possibly all of the academies. So a little bit of background information. Computer science has always been restricted to AOIT students, only mean that only dumb can take it and uh, uh, not any other academies. By opening to all, there could be a better exposure and a rise in students taking computer science, as we hope, and more people can take the class, meaning they can try it out if they want, and if they don't like it, it's okay.
For this, we hope for the second recommendation that we hope that could be provided for students who choose to do computer science. We hope to provide a free trial using the website called code.org. We hope to use it as a framework to introduce the students who want to take computer science. We will be providing Spanish, since the majority of the students in our schools speak Spanish, and we are primarily focusing on freshmen.
Thank you for
Thank you for your
coming.
time.
Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.